Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Sumaira Issa and today is fifth lecture of week number 4 for class 8 and we are discussing factorization. So in this lecture I am going to discuss some definitions of binomial, coefficient, expand, factors, products, quadratic trinomials and trinomials. So a binomial is an expression with two terms. An algebraic expression consisting of two terms is known as binomial. For example, we have 2x plus 4 is a binomial expression because we have two terms. So this is a binomial expression. What is coefficient? If a number is multiplied by with any variable used in an expression, suppose we have 2x, or you can say that 3x minus 5x. So you can see that x is a variable used in this expression and y is also another variable used in this expression. So the coefficient of x is 3 and the coefficient of y is minus 5. So the coefficient is multiplied by the variable involved in any expression. And what is expand? To remove grouping symbol by multiplying each term inside group symbols by the terms of term outside. You can say that to remove grouping symbols by multiplying each terms inside grouping symbols by the terms of term outside. In vector factors, to write a expansion as a product of its factors and the reverse of expansion. You can say that factorization is a reverse of an expansion. And what is the product? The multiplication and the result of multiplying terms of expression together is a product. The two terms in the form of multiplication, and after multiplication you get the answer, and you can say that this is the product of two terms. And what is quadratic trinomial? Expressions such as x squared plus 4x plus 3 which can be factorized as x plus 3 and x plus 1. The highest powers of variable is 2. Then these expressions are known as quadratic trinomial examples. And what is trinomial? An algebraic expression consisting of three terms are trinomial. So here is a simple activity. You can see that this is a shape, this is a spiral, or helix is a mathematical shape. You can see that this is a mathematical shape, discovered how you can draw it, and this is a shape of a mathematical expression. Here I am going to give you some example relevant to this topic. You can solve these example by using the or you can factorizing by taking out common factor. Factors factorize by grouping the term into pairs. You can group these term into pair. I am already discussed in previous lecture how to take common factor, how to grouping the term into pair, how to use the difference of two square, how to solve the trinomial examples, how to factorize the examples, and how we can solve the different example by using the method of multiplication and division. Here all these examples are solved by these methods we have discussed in previous lectures. In this lecture we take out common factor. In this example we can solve this example by using the method of grouping in pair. And in this question number 3 you have to take the difference of two squares, solve these quadratic trinomial examples by breaking midterm. And this example is solved by factorization, simple factorization. And these are the examples. You can solve this example by taking out commons and cancel out the terms that are common in these expressions. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. If you have any kind of problem relevant to solving these examples, you can ask me during college timings. I am here to help you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.